Hi! Today on Araw-Araw Filipino, we will start to learn about enclitics. Our first set of enclitics are ba, na, and po. Enclitic particles or mga katagang enclitiko are words that follow another word to add emphasis, tone, or context. In Filipino, mga salitang sumusunod sa isa pang salita upang magdagdag ng diin, tono, o konteksto. Words, mga salita. Follow, sumusunod. Another, isa pang. To, upang. Add, magdagdag. Emphasis, diin. Tone, tono. Or, o. Context, konteksto. Here are the most common enclitic particles or mga katagang enclitiko in Filipino. These short words do not stand on their own, and most of them have no meaning until you add them to a word, and it gives more nuance to a sentence. In this lesson, we will focus on ba, na, and po. Now let us start to learn about ba. We use it to indicate a question, usually answerable by yes or no. And here are some examples on how to use it. Is there a problem? May problema ba? Is there may problem, problema? And there is our enclitic, ba. Did you eat? Kumain ka ba? Did eat, kumain, you, ka. Isn't it? Hindi ba? Isn't, hindi. So this is a common expression in Filipino and it's very useful to say, isn't it? Hindi ba? We also use the word ba to add emphasis, a hint of exasperation or annoyance, curiosity, or disbelief. Here are some examples. Where is he? As in, you're annoyed you can't find him. He should be here now. Nasaan ba siya? Where? Nasaan? He, siya. Is this true? An expression of disbelief. Totoo ba ito? This, ito. True, totoo. What is that? An expression of curiosity. Ano ba yan? Or ano ba iyan? What? Ano? That, yan. In Filipino, the complete word is iyan, but it's common to hear Filipinos simply say yan. What on earth is that? This is with a hint of exasperation, annoyance, or even disbelief. We simply say, ano ba yan? And the tone also conveys the meaning. You express a tone of disbelief or exasperation, ano ba yan? And you will hear ano ba yan commonly used by Filipinos every day. Our next enclitic is na, which we use to say now. I will leave now. Aalis na ako. I, ako. Will leave, aalis. Now, na. I am done now. Tapos na ako. I am is also ako. Done, tapos. Come now. halika na. Come, halika. Come here now. Halika na dito. Here is dito. We also use na to say already. Eat already. Now this is something we won't commonly say in English, right? Because to encourage or invite someone to eat, we'll say, here, have something to eat, or have a meal, have dinner. But the Filipino translation is really eat already, kain na. Eat, kain. Already, na. Let us eat already. Kain na tayo. Us, tayo. I'm done already. Tapos na ako. I am or I'm, ako. Done, tapos. I ate already. Kumain na ako. I, ako, ate, kumain. Our last enclitic for this lesson is the word po. This is to convey respect or politeness, and we normally use this if we are a child talking to someone older than us. But even as adults, if we are talking to older people, we also use po. And also if we are at a place of work, to show respect for our bosses, we may use po. And here are some examples. Thanks. Salamat po. Thanks. Salamat. Good morning. Magandang umaga po. Morning is umaga. In Filipino, when we say magandang umaga, it is actually beautiful morning, and beautiful is maganda. Can I ask a question? Pwede pong magtanong? Ken, pwede. Ask a question, magtanong. Now that Tagalog version can also be translated to, pwede po akong magtanong, and ako is I. You notice that we added an NG after po. We have a separate lesson on how to add NG or NA after a word. I will put the link in the description below. But for this example, NG is there for a smoother transition between words. There is no milk. Wala pong gatas. There is no, wala. And milk, gatas. That is our lesson today on enclitics. We will have more in the future. I hope you find this useful. For your homework, practice using the enclitics that we have just learned whenever you speak Filipino. Have fun! I hope you can join us again next time on Araw-Araw Filipino. Thank you. Salamat po. Now, a few words from my son, Max.
Thought this video was cool? Watch the next one and like and subscribe the channel too if you haven't yet.
Bye-bye!
Bye!